18 solar companies asked U.S. trade officials to expand tariffs to companies in 3 Southeast Asian nations.
But today I want to talk about a less positive development, and that's the threat to the United States solar industry by the consideration of imposing tariffs on solar panels. This case could cost us 100,000 American solar jobs and jeopardize our common clean energy goals. Already, 318 projects are being canceled or delayed, and if the administration decides to impose tariffs, it could cause solar capacity to fall 75 gigawatts short of the pace needed to reach the president's solar goal.
American jobs are on the line. The Commerce Department's inquiry into tariff circumvention has brought the solar industry to a standstill. Our workers have invested in us and are waiting for a preliminary decision so that we can get back to work. Until modules are able to show up at solar farms across the nation, American companies and their dedicated employees will continue to suffer economically.
I'm Troy Ochoa, Senior Vice President of Solar for Wanza Construction. Our teams are suffering unnecessarily because of projects that are either delayed or canceled altogether. Unless we get movement on the Commerce Department's decision to investigate tariff circumvention overseas, we will have to shut down projects entirely, putting teams out of work.
My name is Mark Butler. I'm the site manager for Wanza Construction at the Fort Bend Solar Site. We are currently experiencing module delays due to the tariffs. We currently haven't hired up to 200 people to install these modules because of this delay.
We're over here working on a solar plant in Wauchula, Florida. I have a few hundred folks that work for us out here. Any of you folks out there consider the impact that it's having on not only myself, but the families of those employees that work with us?
No panels at all, or it affects us in many ways, from our co-workers to our families. Some of us, it's our only source of income.
My name is Adrian Saldaña. I do it because the big change we're making for this country, for this world, and not just the country and the world, the communities that we come into it. We hire locals, we bring new people into the company.
My name is Pamela. This is the way that I support my family, and not having modules affects the community as well.
A lot of families that rely on this industry.
I'm a sole provider for my family. So us not receiving any material like that, it would put me in a really bad bind.
Having problems trying to get module panels from overseas into the States. That alone right there, it impacts a lot of families.
From my understanding, no materials, no work. So no work, I can't provide for my kids.
There are thousands of jobs across the nation at stake. Our climate goals cannot be met if we are not building renewable energy. Every day that we wait to import modules from across the sea is a day closer to crisis. It is time to give the American solar industry what they need to thrive. Put green energy workers back in the game. Vote to provide a preliminary decision on the solar tariff circumvention today.